Ayun, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. So today, I just thought of making another content, and siguro ito na naman ako sa mga random thoughts ko, mga personal opinions ko sa fragrance community and sa pabango in general, So ayun, actually two parts to. Yung first part, gusto ko lang mag-share sa inyo very quickly ng mga perfumes na I would say gusto kong dinidiscover or na-enjoy ko silang i-discover lately, kasi may gano'n naman hindi lang sa aspect ng wearing, pero may mga perfumes tayo na you love revisiting or mga siguro bagong dating na perfumes na you're trying to understand the scent profile. So yun, may mga perfumes na I would say na talagang na-enjoy ko sila lately, na-enjoy ko silang i-discover, kumbaga yung personal discovery, and yeah, para hindi tayo tumagal, gusto ko lang pong i-share yung mga perfumes na to sa inyo. Number one, this is called Dali, Parfum de Tolle by Salvador Dali. This is actually vintage frag, if you could see yung parang lips na yung lips na bottle design, This is a 1985, if I'm not mistaken, na perfume by the master perfumer himself, Alberto Morillas. Of course, kilala natin si Alberto Morillas, sikat na sikat sa community. Siya ang perfumer behind the Acqua di Gio line, and of course, Dylan Blue, Versace for Homme, I commend also Alberto Morillas for doing work sa house ng Amouage, like yung Journey line, isa yan, and even yung isa sa pinakagusto ko sa Amouage, yung Reckless Leather, of course from the Opus collection. So ayun, this one gusto ko siyang inaamoy lately, gusto kong nag-grow kumbaga sa akin yung scent profile nito. This is the vintage amber take, this is the vintage oriental, and I would say, if you want to discover kung gaano kagaling si Alberto Morillas sa warm spices, sa oriental notes, lalo sa clove, and yung galing niya sa white florals, definitely you should try this one. This starts off soapy and maraming florals, pero later on it becomes dense, it becomes darker, I would say, pag pumapasok na yung incense, pag pumapasok na yung, of course, oriental nose again, and yung amber take ni Alberto Morillas. So yeah, this is a great frag, pambihira, and if you love vintage frags, or if you're starting sa vintage frags game, gem to, ngayon pala sinasabi ko gem to, pambihira to. So yeah, Dali, Parfum de Tolle by Salvador Dali. And the next one, ilang beses na to binanggit sa mga videos, even sa mga posts, this is actually a recent discovery, This is called Yesatis by the House of Givenchy, So this one is actually a Dominic Ropion, another great nose, pambihira, legendary perfumer, This is white florals and yellow florals, pero it becomes animalic, pambihira, napaka masterful nito, napaka gorgeous niya, napaka beautiful, yung lahat, ng the words na I could think of, to describe this frag, napaka elegant, pambihira. Wala akong ibang masabi, but yeah, if you would ask me of my top 3 Dominic Ropion creations, definitely nasa list tong Yesatis, Yesatis ng Givenchy. So ayun, pambihira to, panalo to. This is marketed towards women, Actually, this is a vintage frag, 1984, and kahit marketed siya towards women. You've got to try this, guys, no? Ang bihira, napakalupit nito, no? So, ayun, number 2 ay Satis. And number 3, in-introduce ko rin siya, I believe, nung last video ko, no? So, this is Ordo Sere by the house of Naomi Goodsir, no? This is from Bertrand Duchaufour, no? Another great nose, no? This is very fruity sa una, no? Para siyang overripe mango, apple, berries, pagsama-sama mo, no? And gawin mo siyang sobrang ripe, no? Sobrang hinog, no? And ilagay mo siya sa, or lagyan mo siya, buhusan mo siya ng coconut juice, no? And later on, no? Pag pumasok yung tea tendencies niya, tsaa, no, na tendencies niya, and one of the star or the hero note, no, ng Ordo Sere ay yung tobacco. Pag pumasok yun, no, nagbabalance lahat, napakabango, no. This is great, no. Sinabi ko sa video I made, no, na this is for me a distant na reminder ng frags like Angel Share ng Kilian or Tabac Rouge ng Phaidon, no. Hindi sila magkaamoy, no, pero para silang malayong magkamag-anak, parang gano'n, no. So yeah, Ordo Sere, no, by the house of Naomi Goodsir. You have to try this one, no. Even Corpus Equus, no, in general the house, no. If you like to go deeper sa niche na walang pretensions, kailangan yung matry ang Ordo Sere, no. And yeah, the fourth one, this is from the house of Chanel, no. This is called Bois des Îles, no. Bois des Îles, no. If I don't know if I'm butchering the name, but yeah, this is Bois des Îles by Chanel, no. Actually, this is a rare one. This is a parfum concentration, and would you look at that juice color, pambihira, no. And I'm lucky enough to score this one. This is rare, no, kasi the parfum version, no, meron siya dito, meron siya sa front, no. Usually yan nakasulat sa front, no. Pero pag hindi siya nakasulat sa front, no, this is a more, I would say, rare na variation. And released ang Bois des Îles, no, I believe 1923, 25, no. Pero itong sa akin, siguro around 1930s, 1940s siya, no. Kasabay niya yung mga flakon ng Chanel, no. And this one, pambihira, the best, isa sa best na sandalwood use that I have tried in perfumery, no. I don't know kung gaano siya kahirap hanapin sa ngayon, no. Even the, EDP or EDT version ng frag na ito, but the parfum version is a more rare na variation ng frag na ito. So yeah, if you like florals, of course, no, the airy signature, the floral signature ng Chanel, you have to try Bois des Îles, no, parfum, no. And the last one, no, this is called Epic Woman by the house of Amouage, my favorite house, no. Epic Woman, this is from one of my favorite perfumers, no, Cecile Zerokian, no. And paano ba, mapapansin mo may signature si Cecile Zerokian, lalo sa spices, no. Ang daming spice nito, no. I believe may caraway siya, no, and other spices, I don't know if may cardamom pa siya, no. But yeah, lots of spices, tapos nilagyan ni Cecile Zerokian ng tea, no. Pambihira, the best tea use I have tried in perfumery, no. And sa ngayon, rare na ang Epic Woman, no. And this is one of those frags na talagang nag-launch, kumbaga, kay Cecile Zerokian. If you have tried yung Tango, this is Tango by Mask Milano, another Cecile Zerokian frag, no. if you have tried this one, you would understand yung sinasabi kong parang may signature si Cecil Zarokian, lalo sa spices na ginagamit niya, the combination of the warm and the fresh spices, no? So yeah, you have to try this one, and meron siyang oud, I believe, and of course the signature incense ng house ng Amouage, no? So yeah, Epic Woman, no? So ayun guys, no, very shortly, random na thoughts, no, sa frag community. Siguro madalas ninyong makita, no, sa frag groups, no. By the way, speaking of frag groups, no, this is a sad day ulit, pambihira, na take down yung Froghead PH, no, pambihira. I don't know if sufficient yung grounds, no, ng pag-take down sa group, but yeah, it is what it is. So again, let's again build the community. Froghead PH, no, ilang libo yung members niyan, no. I don't know kung anong violation exactly yung nangyari, but yeah, yun yung nangyari. So let's again build the community. But ayun, frag groups, no, nakikita ninyo ang, of course, this is a subjective game at maraming opinions, maraming katanungan, etc. Siguro, no, speaking of opinions, no, para sa akin kasi may good side ang opinion and may bad side siya, no. The good side of opinion sa frag community, of course, no, ako personally gusto kong nakikipag-usap sa mga tao about their experience of frags, no, their favorite houses, yung favorite notes nila, no, yung journey nila, no, yung history, yung background. Alam niyo naman yan na if you have noticed sa channel ko, madalas ako magbigay ng history, ng context, ng background sa frags. Kasi that's me. That's, again, no, I appreciate the history, the art of perfumery. And I appreciate people na nakakausap ko ever since na bumalik ako sa frag game late 2021, no, and of course naka-join ako sa frag groups ng early 2022. No, na-enjoy ko yung pakikipag-usap, na-enjoy ko yung opinions, yung exchange ng ideas. And yeah, forever kong iti-treasure yun, no, kasi naging ano ko rin yun, naging springboard ko, naka-help sa akin in a greater degree, no, in a great degree rather, yung exchange ng ideas, ng opinions na yun, no. Pero siguro I would say, isa sa personal lang naman to, no, yung hindi ko gustong part, no, ng opinions, no, is when number one, no, we become conclusive about things, no. I don't know if you have seen, no, yung akin lang to, no, guys, no, huwag kayong magalit. I don't know if you have seen yung posts about vanilla sa mainit na panahon. Well, it was meant as a joke. Totoo naman, it was meant as a joke, no, and naman, no, why would you wear vanilla, no, sa mainit na panahon, no? Pero ang hindi ko nagustuhan, parang may nag-post na doon, may mga nag-post na about that, no, and ginawa na siyang joke talaga, no, parang hindi lang joke, parang it is to paano ba, low-key insult people na nagsusuot ng vanilla-centric frags, no, sa mainit. Well, number one, you have point, no, totoo naman, no, why not wear freshies, no, or why not wear blue frags or even green frags pag mainit ang panahon. Pero yun nga, nagiging conclusive, no, and halimbawa ako personally, no, hindi ako nagpapa-apekto sa ganung opinion, kasi yung iba na yung pag-away na pambira, and I get where they are coming from, no. Ako personally, no, this is my favorite vanilla centric frag. This is called Vanille Havan by Les Indimodab. Pambihira, kailangan nyo matry ito, guys, no. If you love the note of vanilla, this is vanilla bean and cutting vanilla bean in half, no, and you're trying to smell every facet nung vanilla bean, no, na hindi lang pala siya yung usual candied vanilla na natatry mo halimbawa sa 9 PM ng Afnan, no, etc. No, pero may matatry ka pa pala, may maamoy ka pang boozy aspect, no, may cacao, no, may ambery aspect siya, no. Ang dami niya palang facets, no. And yeah, anyway, ako personally, kung hindi lang to, kasi kalahati na lang to, natatakot na ako, baka maubos na, gusto ko tong frag na to, no. Kung hindi lang to paubos, overspray ko to sa mainit, shinare ko sa group, no, nung I attended a wedding, no, ng isa sa close friend ko, no, na nasa Cavite. Napakainit, nakasuit kami, etc. I oversprayed, no, and by overspraying, I'm an oversprayer, no. I oversprayed Ombre Nomad by Louis Vuitton. If you have tried Ombre Nomad, that's smoky oud, no, na may I believe raspberry, no. I overspray that. By overspraying, I mean 20 sprays, tapos may dala kong dikat ng Oud Maracuja by Maison Crivelli. Inubos ko yung 3 ml, no, sa 2 layer doon sa Ombre Nomad, no. What I'm saying is, no, sometimes, no, we become conclusive na para bang hindi tinitake away mo, no, parang inaalis mo yung exploration, yung joy ng iba sa frags. Pambira pag halimbawa yung mga nagsasabi ng mga ganyan, no, pag may sasabihin kang opinion mo, no, about halimbawa Bleu de Chanel or other blue frags, no, and hindi nila magustuhan, galit sila sa'yo, no, magpo-post sila about sa'yo. Pero when you post about vanilla frags, no, para bang okay lang, no, sa lahat, no. But yeah, that's one. And number 2, no, siguro napansin niyo, there are those, no, na take this one, no, as an advice, no, hindi to pang babash. Meron po sa frag community, and this is normal, no. Ako din, pambira, ganito ako dati, no. Na-try ko na to dati, may face akong ganun, no, na good day po, ano pong frags ang pwedeng isuot sa pupunta po ako sa kasal, or pupunta po ako sa meeting, pupuntahan ko yung magulang ng girlfriend ko, etc., no. Ano pong frag ang pwede kong isuot? Ilang sprays, no? Saan yung sprays, no? Personally, no, may I don't know if you have seen my comment doon sa topic about overspraying. What can you say about overspraying, etc. No, sabi ko doon, no, na doon sa parang pinakadulo, sabi ko, no, na minsan yung mga standards, no, well, napanood nyo naman kasi yan sa mga content creators din, and I understand, no, ang content creators, may good side yan, may bad side yan, pero siguro yung isa sa hindi magandang side ng content creators, no, siguro yung mga tao natututong umasa na lang sa content creators at nawawala na po yung joy ng exploration. Minsan tayo, nakadepende tayo, ay sabi ni ganitong content creator, dapat 5 sprays lang, tapos dapat dito sa likod, dito sa batok, dito sa shoulders, dito sa chan, dito sa chest, no, dito sa ano, no, sa mga points, no, yung pulse points, no, dapat hindi ako lumagpas doon, dapat masunod kong maigi, no. Pambihira, guys, minsan sa pagsunod natin ng standards, kung ilang sprays, kung anong dapat gamitin sa ganito, nawawala po yung joy, nawawala po yung ano, yun nga, yung excitement to explore. Para sa akin personally, no, siguro if you are into fragrances, if siguro sabihin natin for a time na sa fragrances na kayo, no, may mga frags, no, lalo pag lumalaking collection mo, may mga frags na para bang you feel wearing today, no? I don't know if nagigets yung ibig kong sabihin. May mga frags na halimbawa same sila, no? Let me give you an example, no? This is Antaeus by Chanel, no? And this is Aramis Cologne, no? Both vintage frags. Ilan to sa mga go-to ko, no? Pero may mga days na feel kong gamitin si Aramis pero I don't feel like wearing Antaeus. May mga days naman na gusto kong gamitin si Antaeus, ayoko maamoy si Aramis. I don't know if you are if nagigets nyo ako, no? May mga frags na gusto mong suotin, no? Gusto mo siyang ma-explore on a certain occasion. And sometimes po ang nangyayari sa atin, wala nakaasa ka na sa opinion ng iba. Well, don't get me wrong, no? Wala pong masama na magtanong, wala pong masama, lalo po sa mga nagsisimula, no? That's part of it, maganda nagtatanong kayo. Pero minsan kasi, nakaasa ka na sa opinion ng iba, no? Na para bang hindi ka makakilos pag hindi mo narinig yung opinion ng iba. No, guys, enjoy the game, no? Yun lang po yung point ko, no? Sana hindi nyo po makita to as pangbabash, no, sa mga nagtatanong. Hindi po ganun, no? No, hindi po ganun, no? Ang point ko lang, enjoy nyo yung game, enjoy nyo mag-explore, kasi ako personally, ganun din ako. In-enjoy ko lang, no? Hanggang later on, malaman mo yung scent profile for you. Later on, parang, paano ba? Parang nakakapa mo na yung mga frags mo, no, na parang gusto ko tong isuot today, no, or ayaw ko tong maamoy today. May days naman na gusto ko siyang gamitin, no. Yun lang po yung point ko, no. And again, no, this is a subjective point of view, no. Meron po siguro sa inyong mag-agree sa akin. Thank you po, mag-agree kayo sa akin. Meron po siguro na mainis sa akin, sasabihin sa akin na masyadong walang kwenta yung opinion ko. That's okay, no. And ayun, my goal lang is number 1, to share yung thoughts ko. And number 2, somehow maka-help din sa inyo, kasi after all, this is a subjective game, no? Wag po ninyong hahayaan, no? Again, okay lang ang opinion ng iba. Okay lang ang opinion ng content creators. Go lang, no? Ako din, personally, may mga gusto kong pinapanood ng mga content creators. Pero ultimately, in wearing your frags, in building your collection, ikaw naman magdi-decide hindi naman iba para sa'yo. Wag kang, marami pa tayong pwede pag-usapan about dito, no? Halimbawa, yung paano mo ba binibuild yung collection mo, or ano bang masasabi mo sa mga hina-hype na frags, no? During a certain time, no? Pero, yeah, yun lang yung gusto kong i-share. So, yun lang, guys, no? Dami ko nang sinabi na naman, no? And if you find this content interesting, helpful, or even, no, hindi kayo agree sa opinion ko, okay lang, no. I like to start a conversation with you. Mag-comment lang kayo, guys, or even contact me lang sa YouTube, sa Facebook, etc., no. So, yun lang, guys. Maraming salamat po muli sa pakikinig, no, sa napakahabang content na naman. If you find this, again, helpful or interesting, please do consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Maraming salamat po at ingat po kayo.